Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the most rich and decadent brownies, but let me tell you something about these brownies. Number one, they're healthy for you, and number two, they're not baked. Now let's get started. So to start these heavenly little treats, I'm adding to my food processor 2.5 cups of dates. This will add the sweetness to these brownies, but nobody will know that these are in here because of the next ingredients: 1.5 cups of walnuts and 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You see, these two ingredients together make these brownies taste exactly like the real thing. It really is truly quite incredible. Now for the last ingredient, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of water, and a pinch of salt. You're gonna pulse this all together until it's all mixed up and becomes a fudgy texture. If you're new to my channel, I post new recipes every other day. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Now, once the brownie ingredients are pulsed together, you're then gonna get your pan ready. I'm using an 8-inch square. You're gonna line this with some parchment paper to make it easier to remove the brownies. Press them down slightly and evenly onto the edges of the pan. Once you're done, place them to the side while we make our frosting. This simple frosting is so delicious. I'm adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to a microwave-safe bowl with 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil is then going into the bowl, and lastly 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this all around slightly, and it's then going to go into the microwave just for a few seconds to melt that coconut oil down. Give it a good mix. You might have to use a whisk to smooth out some of that cocoa powder until you have this fudgy consistency. This is so delicious, guys. It's gonna be your new favorite frosting, I guarantee it. Now pour all of that fudge all over the brownies and smooth it out, being sure to bring it all the way out to the edges of the pan. At this point, pop it into the fridge for about 10 minutes to firm up that frosting. And once they're ready, remove them from the pan and slice these babies up. You guys, these brownies will have you so surprised after your first bite. I'm telling you now, they taste exactly like real fudge brownies. But as you can see, they had no eggs, no butter, or no sugar added. In fact, these brownies are actually loaded with antioxidants, aid in digestion, and lower high blood pressure. The list just goes on and on with all the health benefits in the ingredients of these brownies. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more unique recipes.